I'm Camila Williams at Rudy's Inlet Marina. I talked to a professional captain and a marine business owner about boat insurance, boat lines, and other preparations needed ahead of the strong winds coming this way. They tell me the tide is one of their big concerns.
Also, you know that you have appropriate fenders, add fenders, knowing that the boat's going to move in the dock in substantial wind and current and tide.
Alan Newsom is the owner of Marina Electric Unlimited. He says no one should neglect their boat during severe weather.
First of all, make sure your insurance is paid. Second of all, me being in the electrical business, make sure your batteries are good. Turn off all non-essential stuff on the boat because it could be days before you get back to it.
With dark clouds moving over the marina, Plain Hooky Charters Captain Bill Papa says if he knows the storm is bad, he'll check the lines of the other boats on the marina.
Some of these ropes are loose and they're loose going to the boats. Loose is fine. It means the boat has enough play to go back and forth. But when the tide gets up really high and somebody has their lines too tight, or in some cases when the wind blows all the water out of the inlet and the tide goes too low, you can put a lot of strain on these cleats, and when it goes up too high and you're holding yourself down, you can sink the boat.
Papa says being on the water is a part of his day-to-day life, but it can come with a financial loss.
These times do hurt us because we have a lot of trips booked and people from out of town trying to come fish with us, and they got to cancel or reschedule their trips, and we're usually booked for 3 more weeks, so the chance of them getting back out there is pretty but that's the way it goes. That's fishing, that's weather.
But as Newsom and Pappas wait for the water to rise and the winds to pick up, they'll do what they can to make sure no boat is left untreated. In Virginia Beach, Camila Williams, WTKR News 3.